Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss reverse order in array list. Array is there. In that array, we need to display the reverse order. Ascending order, I have already videos is there. Two types is there, two types videos is there. You can check in YouTube channel. Today we can discuss reverse order. Right click, right class. Reverse order. Here main method is there. You can write main method. Method first we need to declare the place. Actually, I have already our values. I will take that values. This one, I will take them. This values already is there. Int temp is equal to 0. Now I will write for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than equal to INR dot length I plus plus. Next another I will write another if condition int j is equal to I plus 1 j sorry j less than INR dot length j plus plus. Now we will write one if condition if INR of I less than INR of j. So return this one now. We will store temp is equal to INR of I. I'm storing INR of I value into temp. INR of I value in this value I will store NR of j value. Now NR of j value, this value will store temp value. Temp value. Now I will display the output of this one. What is output will come, you can check this logic is correct or not. First you can check reverse, reverse order, VRSC reverse order in array. This. And what is I am now? We need to write the write like this. Arrays dot new string dot write like this. When I say need to iterate that one, I will show you that one as I iterate. See, reverse order come. See here. First, I will take this is a integer value, arrays integer value. Will take temp value. This is for first value. We can take the first value. This is for the second value. First, what happened? First, it will take this value. Can compare all the remaining values. Then it will take second value. It will compare all remaining values. Like that, this will executing. This will executing. This for loop that is a purpose. Here we need to check the condition. What is the first value? That means we can take first value. I have 0 means 9 less than 5. We can take 5. Here that means 9 is the highest value compared to this one. That is this is skipping. Then it will go to next value. That means 3. That is skipping. Like that, you can skip the all values and you can find out the exact value and you can sorting that one. Like that, this if condition is working. That's why we are returning this type of scenario. Yeah, this is for directly we can print. I will write iteration also for int k is equal to 0, k less than INR dot length k plus plus. We'll write this out only k value. K is INR of k plus. Here I will write another sys out. don't need another sysouts. I will write here. Otherwise, this is coming next line, next line. Same line it will come. Right click, run as Java application. Here I will remove LM condition. This will come single line. Is coming the value here and here. Like this, we can display the reverse order in arrays. This is also bubble sort only. That means you can use the ascending order normally using bubble sort. This is also bubble sort, but uh, in ascending order, here we can use the less than symbol. We can use less than symbol here. That is ascending order. Sorry, greater than. Sorry, you can write greater than symbol here. This is ascending order. See, this is ascending order. We can write less than symbol. This is for reverse order. This is a simple logic. This is a bubble sort logic only, but less than and greater than. Less than means reverse order. Greater than means ascending order. Ascending and reverse order. This is where we can display the reverse order in the array. If you need more information about this topic or any Java or Python, could you please comment it below commented box? I'm requesting, could you please subscribe my channel and support me, please? That is my request. We will meet next video. I'm signing off.